In these setups at the drill press, I'm going to show you a few different ways of holding the part while you're drilling. This is a piece of polycarbonate, smoked glass polycarbonate. It's always best if you have a long piece to hit the column in the back and let it rest up against that. Okay, so when you're drilling, if it does decide to spin, it goes into the column and not you. Try never to hold a piece out like this, because if it grabs, it's going to come in and hit you. This is the center drill. We always use a center drill before a drill. It helps align the tool, and then you can walk in, hold the part by hand, putting pressure downwards. Okay? And in this case, we'll use the column as well. Go slow as you break through plastic pieces. They're thin and they'll want to pop up if you go too fast. Slow your feed down, going into the last 16th, 1/8, 16th of an inch. With that said, as far as thin sheets or sheet aluminums, steels, this is a step drill. And I'll show you how it works. You could use that step drill or any drill with a waste piece underneath your part. Make sure it's tight. It has a series of steps. These steps are 1/8 spaced apart, and they go from 1/4 to 1 1/4 inches. You do not need a pilot hole. Set up. One step, 2 steps, and whatever diameter you're looking for. It just gives you less force to make the same size hole. I'm going to drop the table. And here we're using the vise to hold the part. Lock the vise in. It's a long piece, so I'm going to use that block in the back. And then we drill a hole. Here we have a 3/16 wall. We can come in and make holes, drill wherever you need to, okay? And it just steps in there fine. The last setup I want to show you is the clamping method. You slide your piece in, you can locate it. We're locating on these 2 black marker lines, magic marker lines. We do the hold down. Here, make sure you lock the table when you're in position, and then you can drill.